Alright guys, thank you for affiliate commission funnels training. Like it says here, definitely better to be done on a desktop computer rather than a cell phone, just because of where or how it's going to show up, and it's just a lot easier. So once you guys get to the member what to do list page, all you have to do, go down. You're going to watch this video that my mentor, Tim Filmingham, decided to make for me. Uh, After watching that video, you have to claim your free ClickFunnels account. There's a couple links up here, blah blah blah, here. You can click there and claim your free account. What it's gonna do is well, this is the biggest button. This is my favorite button to click because it's nice, bright, blue, and you can definitely see it. And it basically tells you to click here to get your ClickFunnels account now. So I'm going to right click and open it in a new tab, but you can just click it. So you're going to go here. Oh, I am logged in, aren't I? Give me a second. I'm already logged in to my account, so give me a second. I'm going to log out and I'll show you exactly what it's going to show you when it comes up. Alright, back to where we need to be. Alright, so you guys are just going to click normal, right clicking to open it into a new tab. But basically, it's going to come up to this page. Alright, my computer is running on my phone's internet right now. So it's going to come up to this page. And what you're going to do, you're going to scroll down to the start your free 14-day trial. Click start your free 14-day trial. There's their pricing page. Pay monthly. You're not going to pay anything right now. It is the free 14-day trial, so you guys don't pay anything. Hey Liz, how are you doing? You can either Gary J. White, stop talking. You're helping me. So you can either this one right here, the ClickFunnels Suite, gives you everything that you need. This is basically if you are a master website builder, this is really what your best option would be, is right here. But for right now, we are just going to do the ClickFunnels free 14-day trial of just ClickFunnels. It'll make it very easy to build smart sales funnels that convert. It really is the only website builder that doesn't just build pages, it builds smart sales funnels, so it's great. So this is what we're going to do now. We're going to start a free trial now. Doop, doop, doop. You are going to enter your full name. So let's do Jack Johnson. Email jjohnson@gmail.com. Enter your password. And then create my ClickFunnels account. And then you're going to enter your billing information. and your phone. It's obviously not going to charge your credit card because it's a free 14-day trial. Now, this is what I did. I added the 9 secret funnels training because it is the best training, other than mine, of course, that you will get. The secret funnels training is basically an advanced training of sales funnels in pretty much any business. Now, this you'll be charged just $47 just for the day, or for this, and then you get your free 14-day trial of ClickFunnels. So, after entering your card number and your phone number, and if you want to add the Secrets Funnels training, click that, and then click Start My Free 14-Day Trial now, and your trial will begin. I'll see you on the next video.